and welcome to Gordon Guitar. NEFFEX, heard of him before? I guess so. If you follow me here on Gordon Guitar, we had NEFFEX many times. One of the favorites artists here on Gordon Guitar. We really love to show his music here, and this one is Changing. So goes in a standard NEFFEX DNA fashion way. It's one chord progression round. Usually in this case it's about 4 chords, and we can add a melody to it, and that's what's going on here in this song, Changing. So let's start this one up. We have the capo set here on the 4th fret to have the easiest chords possible. So with the capo on 4th, that gives us the E minor, D, C, and A minor 7. So let's start with the E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is D, and we'll have this in this way. That's a variation of D. So that will be 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd on B, and open E. Looks like a C, but it's high up here in this position. The next chord will be C, and speaking of that, we'll just go down the road here with the same grip, and we land in this position. So that gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be A minor 7. So what you do there, basically you just lift off the 3rd A and play that open. So that gives us open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So there we have it, the chord progression through the entire song. E minor, D, C, and A minor 7. Lovely. All right, let's look at the melody. So we will look at the notes, and we'll do that chord by chord. So we'll look at the notes that belongs to each and every chord, and we'll start here with the E minor part. This part goes like this. Okay, so with the bass it sounds like this. So that is open G, then comes a clap there. I will really suggest that you play that clap. That's a big difference there if you have this clap. It's a pretty easy rhythm, and it makes a lot to it. So use the clap if you can. You just hit the strings like that. So open G, then 2nd G, and open B. Okay, that is the E minor. Then the next chord will be D, and you have the D here, and this will be like this. Okay, so that will be the notes here, the open G, and then a clap, then 3rd fret B string. You have that from the chord, from the grip. And then you need to add here the 5th fret G string with your little pinky. I suggest you do that so you don't lift off anything from the grip and go down. So just use your little pinky there, because it's great if you can keep the grip as it is, and because later we'll see how to play the chord and incorporate the melody. So that will give a lot to the chord here to keep the grip. Okay, anyway, enough talking. 3rd B, 5th G, 4th G, and then you slide up here to 2nd G. Okay, so that was the D, open G, 3rd B, 5th G, 4th G, and 2nd G. All right, so there we are. And now we're ready for next position here, the C chord. So there you're gonna play the open G, and then a clap, and then 2nd G, and open B. So that part is played in the same way, the melody, as the E minor parts. All right, and then we have the final chord, the A minor 7, goes like this. So that is open G, and then a clap, then second G, and fourth D. So that's the full melody on one chord progression, E minor, D, C, and A minor 7. So I'm gonna play the melody for you. I'm gonna add the bass notes for each and every chord, so it gives a little bit more than just the notes. And the bass notes, yeah, they come with the chord. So let's go. Yeah, so there you have it. All right, to use this in strumming, you can just go and do it in your way like this. Down, clap, down, clap. That will be pretty much what you need for this rhythm here to get the notes in the strumming fashion. So there's no rule here of how to incorporate this with the strumming. So just do as much as you can to hit the actual notes here with the chords. So it could sound something like this. So on. All right, so play a little bit with it. I'm gonna give you one strumming pattern. If you just skip all the melody and just go with the strumming E minor, D, C, and A minor 7, then I would choose to play this strumming pattern. I'm gonna show you that with E minor. One round will sound like this. Okay, so that's down, clap, down, down, clap, down. Down, clap, down, down, clap, down. And with the chord progression, it sounds like this, one round per chord. Pretty easy. Down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. And then you can go with melody. And so on. Got some feeling there for it, and that's what usually happens when NEFFEX is on the view here. So yeah, anyway, I gave you the tools here to handle the song, melody, strumming pattern, and how to incorporate everything. Good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoy to cover songs like this. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.